Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 16, quadrilateral. In this chapter, we are going to learn so many things. Now we will start the first point, which we are going to remember it. Now there are some points to be remember. Now you know a quadrilateral is a closed plane figure formed by four line segment. The four line segment that form a quadrilateral are called its sides. Now, what do you mean by quadrilateral? Now, quadrilateral is a closed plane figure that is formed by the four line segment. You can see over here there are four line segment. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are four line segment and they are close to each other. They formed a quadrilateral. The four line segment that form a quadrilateral are called its sides. Now, what are its sides? These are all that sides of a quadrilateral. Next, a quadrilateral can be named by starting at any vertex and going serially either clockwise or anti-clockwise around the figure. Now, can you tell me how many sides are there in a quadrilateral? Very good. There are four sides in a quadrilateral. And how many angles are there? Very good. There are four angles. And how many vertex are there? How many vertex are there? Very good. There are four vertex. There are four vertex, four side, four angle. All the sides are closed. So that figure is called as a quadrilateral. Now can you name the quadrilateral which I have given in the PPT? What is the name of that quadrilateral? What is the name of that quadrilateral? Can you guess the name? Wait a minute. What is the name of a quadrilateral? No, DE is not the name of a quadrilateral. No, not square. Name of a quadrilateral. Any other student? Very good, Tanishka. The name of the quadrilateral is DEFG. What is the name of the quadrilateral? DEFG. Now you can, we are not going to write quadrilateral. We are going to use the symbol of quadrilateral. Now what is the symbol of quadrilateral? See, this is the symbol of quadrilateral. As we use the symbol of angle, this is the symbol of angle, this is the symbol of triangle. So that only we are going to use the symbol of quadrilateral. Now, what is the name of the quadrilateral? Quadrilateral D E F G. This you have to write in capital letter only. You are not going to write this in a small letter. This you are going to write in a capital letter only. If you're writing small letter D, E, F, G, that is wrong. So how you have to write it? You have to write the symbol of quadrilateral, not the spelling of quadrilateral. You're going to write the symbol of quadrilateral and you have to name it, that is D, E, F, G. Now what happened? Now you have to name this quadrilateral in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. What is clockwise direction? How the clock is moving after 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this way you are going to write the Name of the quadrilateral. Now I will show you how you are going to write it. See, the clockwise direction. You will write quadrilateral. What will be your first name? First quadrilateral name. What will be your first quadrilateral name? Yeah. See, once again, Tanishka, you are writing right answer, but small letter. No Vaishnavi. Very good. Sad. What is the name? That is D E F G. What is the name of the quadrilateral? First, D E F G. Now I told you have to write this in a clockwise direction. See, if there are 4 lines, 4 vertex, 4 sides, so that means the answers also will be of having 4. Now we have made वन क्वाड्रिलैटरल, तो ऐसे ही आपको कितने बनना चाहिए? 4, 3 और देयर विल बी 4 नेम्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलैटरल clockwise and 4 for the anti-clockwise. Now first we have taken the vertex D, then we have done D, E, F, G. So then next will be you have to leave D. D left करने के बाद D के बाद कौन सा vertex है? Very good. D के बाद is E. So what you will write? Quadrilateral E F G D. E F D G. See, one by one vertices you have to leave and another vertex you have to add and you have to make another quadrilateral name. Now next will be of mouse. What? Very good. Next will be of quadrilateral F G D E. Next will be F G D E. Now we have taken F as our first vertex. Now what we have to take? Very good. What we have to take? Very good. We have to take quadrilateral G D E F. Very good. So how many times we have written this name of the quadrilateral? 4 times. Why I have not repeated? See, if I left G and I start with D, now the same will come D, E, F, G, which already I have written. So there are how many clockwise and anti-clockwise? Total there will be 8, but clockwise will be 4 and anti-clockwise will be of another 4. So total there will be 8. Now we have written this as a clockwise. So D, E, F, G. Now how anti-clockwise will go? How you will write anti-clockwise? उल्टा कैसे लिखोगे? What will be our first quadrilateral name? Any guesses from your side? Yes. What will be our anti-clockwise? Yes. Only one letter. It contains 4. Very good. We have to write quadrilateral G F E wait a minute. D G F E D. This will be our first anti-clockwise quadrilateral name. Now what will be our second? What will be our second? Yes. Very good. The second will be FEDG. The second will be FEDG. Very wise. Now next will be next. Third will be very good. Third will be EDGF. EDGF. And what will be our last? Very well. Our last will be DGFE. DGFE. Very well. So, how many you have written? Total, how many name of the quadrilateral you have written? 4? No. Yes, Srushti. We have written 8. Clockwise 4, anti-clockwise 4. So I think you people have understood how to write the name of the quadrilateral clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. And you have to use the symbol of quadrilateral, not the name of the quadrilateral. You have to use the symbol of the quadrilateral. Now we will move for the next point. Okay. Now next what I have to explain you, the next we are going to learn what are adjacent side of quadrilateral and what are the opposite sides of a quadrilateral. What are adjacent side of a quadrilateral? See, adjacent side of a quadrilateral means in that quadrilateral it having only one as a common vertices. In that adjacent side of a quadrilateral, there have a common vertex. Common vertex hona chahiye, so that we have to find out the adjacent side of a quadrilateral. For example, I will show you in the next slide some figures I have drawn there. Now, just for your one activity I will show you how you will identify the common vertices. See here, I will just write some name. First Soham, then Rohan. First will be Soham, then Rohan, then Riya, and last will be Kriya. See, once again I am telling you the name. From this activity, I will explain you who, how you are going to identify the adjacent side. Now here is Rohan. Here is Soham. Here is Riya. And here is Kriya. Okay. Now Rohan, Soham, Riya and Kriya. These are our 4 vertices. These are our 4 vertices. Now, how you are going to identify the adjacent side? See, this is Rohan. Rohan is connected with Soham. Rohan is also connected with Kriya. See, Rohan connected with Soham. Rohan connected with Kriya. Now, Rohan, it is coming as a common vertex because Rohan is connected with Soham also and Rohan is connected with Kriya also. So, Rohan क्या है हमारा common vertices. So, that time, what Rohan and Soham, Rohan and Kriya, these two are our adjacent side. And what is here common? Common क्या है दोनों में? दोनों में कौन common है? Who is the common over here? Who is the common over here? Very good. Who is common? Rohan is common because Rohan connected है सोहम से, Rohan connected है क्रिया से. So common कौन है? Rohan. Rohan दोनों में है. So that common vertex with 2 sides, that is called as adjacent side. Now you can see another name. Now I will take Soham. See, Soham with Rohan. Soham with Riya. Soham with Rohan. Soham with Riya. Now Soham with Rohan and Soham with Riya. These are what? These are what? Soham and Rohan. Soham and Riya. These are what? These are our adjacent side. Very good. These are our adjacent side. But here, what is our common vertex? Who is our common vertex? Very good. Our common vertex is Soham because Soham is connected with Rohan. Soham is also connected with Riya. So common vertex is our Soham. Common vertex is what? Common vertex is our Soham. Is it clear? So this way you will find out the adjacent side. Adjacent side means what is connected with both the side. That common things will be your common vertex. Now can you tell me the other who I will take? The other name who is connected, can you write and tell me? Yes, very good. Who is, but with Riya, who was there? Very good. Riya, no. Riya to Soham, no, that is wrong. Very good. Riya to Kriya and Riya to Soham. Very nice. Riya to Kriya and Riya to Soham. There, Riya is our common vertex. And what is the last thing which is remaining? Last thing which is remaining? Very good. Last is remaining Kriya with Rohan, Kriya with Riya. So what is here common? Common is our Kriya. Now I hope you people have understood what is the adjacent side of a quadrilateral. Now next is opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Now opposite means ulta. Now here Rohan and Soham. Rohan and Soham opposite is which one? Rohan and Soham opposite is, who is the opposite of Rohan and Soham? Very good. It is Kriya and Riya. So Rohan and this line, ये जो रोहन और सोहम है इसका opposite है ये Kriya and Riya. So this is our opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Or else Rohan and Kriya is there. Rohan and Kriya opposite side is Rohan and Kriya opposite sides are very good. That are Soham and Riya. Soham and Riya. So we will see once again the definition of is adjacent side of a quadrilateral. Adjacent side of a quadrilateral, it is having a common vertex. Common vertex होता है. Every quadrilateral has the name of the quadrilateral. There were 8, but here adjacent side having how many pair? There will be 4 pair. Now only we have seen first tha Rohan Soham and Kriya and Rohan. Then यहाँ पे बना, then here. So there were how many pairs? Pairs means जोड़ियाँ. How many pairs will be made? There will be 4 pairs when we are writing, when we are finding the adjacent side. The last one is opposite side of a quadrilateral do not have a common vertex. Now, there will be no common vertex when we are writing the opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Now we will see with one example more. See, You can see here with one example I am going to explain you what are the adjacent side and what are the opposite side. Now here I have made a diagram, a figure of quadrilateral A B C D. Quadrilateral A B C D. Now here quadrilateral ABC, what we have to find out? We have to find out the adjacent side. Now adjacent side is what? First, in first one, AB. AB adjacent side is AB adjacent side is BC. AB adjacent side is BC. Why? Because common is what? Their common is B. So the first we got adjacent side, that is AB, BC or BA or BC. So there will be also common B. Now next I have written that is BC. Now next common, next adjacent, my next adjacent is what? BC and CD. BC, CD. Which is common? C is common. See, BC, CD. कॉमन क्या है? इसमें भी C है, इसमें भी C है. So that is what? That is our common vertex. So next is what? Next is next will be CD and DA. Next will be CD, DA. CD, DA. What is common? D, D. D is common in both the side. So CD and DA is our adjacent side. And last is what? Last is DA and AB. Very good. Last is DA and AB. Which is the common over here? Very good. Common क्या है? Common is A. Common is A. Very well. I hope you people have understood what are the adjacent side. Now next we are going to learn what are the opposite side. Opposite means ulta. See here I have written what are the opposite side. AB. This is one side. Uska opposite क्या है? DC. DC is our another opposite side. DC is our another opposite side. Now next opposite side is very good. AD and BC. AD and BC is our next another opposite side. There are how many pair of opposite side? How many pair of opposite sides? No, Tanishka. No. You're giving wrong answer. Very good, Shreya. There are two opposite sides. Two. Now only I told AB and DC. This is one pair. AD and BC, that is the another pair. Though there are two pairs of opposite side. But there are how many pairs of adjacent side? Very good, Shwetlana. There are 4 pairs of adjacent side. Now next we are going to learn about adjacent angle of a quadrilateral and opposite angle of a quadrilateral. Now adjacent angle of a quadrilateral is what? The angle of a quadrilateral which have one common arm are called adjacent angle of a quadrilateral. One common arm means one common side. Now here one common arm means one common side. So in that, whichever having the one common side, so that is what? That is our adjacent angle of a quadrilateral. The angle of a quadrilateral which have one common arm are called adjacent angle of a quadrilateral. Now, opposite angle of a quadrilateral means the angle of a quadrilateral which do not have a common arm are called the opposite angle of a quadrilateral. Now, opposite angle of a quadrilateral means the angle of a quadrilateral which do not have a common arm. Common arm nahi hota hai, common side will be not there, so that type of angle is called as opposite angle of a quadrilateral. Opposite angle of a quadrilateral. Now I will explain you shortly, and also with an example. See, we will see through a figure. See, in this figure, the name of the quadrilateral is what? Very good. The name of the quadrilateral is A, B, C, D. Now here what you have to find out? You have to find out the angle. You have to find out the adjacent angle. So I told in adjacent angle there are common arm. There are common arm. So that way we are going to find the adjacent angle. Now in the first what is given, you can see angle A. See this angle A and angle D. Angle A and angle D are the first pair of adjacent angle. See how it came. Now look here. Now angle means you have to write the name in 3 point that become angle. Angle is making like this only, that is ABC. This is our first angle. So here the first angle is what? The first is ABC. Sorry, ADC. Now we have to leave A and then we have to take DCB. See, first angle I will write also. I will give angle ABC. ABC. This is our first angle. Then you have to leave A after. Okay, I have taken ABC. You have to leave A. After A, what is BCD? After A is what? BCD. Angle BCD. See here, common. Here, what is the common? In these two, what is the common arm? Common arm. Arm means segment. Segment में कभी भी 2 letter होते हैं. Segment AB, segment BC, segment CD. So here what is the common? Very good. Here what is common? BC is also common. Here also BC is also common. So here BC and BC is common. So what is remaining? What is remaining? Very good. What is remaining? A and D. So that's why this A and D is the adjacent angle. Is the adjacent angle. So first angle A is congruent to angle A and angle D. A and angle D are our first adjacent angle. Here you have to write only the angle name, that is angle A and angle D. If you're writing angle ABC and angle BCD, that is also right, but don't write that full. You have just give what is the remaining part, that is A and angle D. Okay, now we will take another. Now if now A से हमने start किया था, फिर हमको किस पे जाना है, B से. Now we will take B. ना एंगल कैसा बनेगा, बी सी डी, एंगल बी सी डी. नाउ लीव बी, बी को लीव करो तो बनेगा सी डी ए, एंगल सी डी ए. क्लियर? सी, लिसन इट प्रॉपर्ली. फर्स्ट हमने फर्स्ट वर्टेक्स लिया था ए, तो ए बी सी, दिस वाज आवर फर्स्ट एंगल. ए को लेफ्ट करके बी सी डी, उसका ही पेयर है, वो उसका ही पेयर है, तो उसमें से कॉमन मिला था बी सी. व्हाट विल रिमेनिंग, ए एंड डी वाज रिमेनिंग, दैट वाज आवर एडजेसेंट एंगल. नाउ वी हैव टेकन वर्टेक्स ए फर्स्ट. नाउ वर्टेक्स बी वी विल टेक फर्स्ट. What we will take, B we will take first. So BCD, BCD will be our first angle, and then CDA, CDA will be our second angle. See, now here what is common? CD and CD is common. So what is remaining? B and A. See over. So B and A is what? That is our adjacent angle. That is our adjacent angle. So here B and A is our adjacent angle. Now see, we have taken A as a vertex, we have taken B as a vertex. Now which will be our first vertex? Now you reply me, huh? Now which will be our first vertex? First A हो गया vertex, then B I have taken, then next will be my first vertex. Very good Arnav, that will be C. Now vertex C से मुझे कितने एंगल बनाने हैं, 2 एंगल लेने. तो पहला एंगल का नाम क्या होगा? नो, एंगल का नाम 3 में होता है. वेरी गुड, दैट विल बी कस्तूरी. शी हैज गिवन फर्स्ट आंसर एंड राइट आल्सो. दैट विल बी एंगल CDA. Is it clear? CDA. Now next what I should take? Now C मेरा first vertex था एंगल बनाने के लिए. Now I will leave C. C को हम count नहीं करेंगे. What I will count? I will count from D. Very good, very good. Next will be angle D A B. What will be my next? D A B. Now common क्या है मेरा इधर? DA, DA. Now what is remaining? C and B. So C and B are my adjacent side. C and B are my adjacent side. See, एक vertex पकड़ना है, फिर एक next pair के लिए second vertex, third pair के लिए third vertex, fourth pair के लिए fourth vertex. Vertex से जब हम एक बार लिखते हैं एंगल का नेम, दूसरी बार लिखने के लिए वर्टेक्स को छोड़ के उसके आगे का लेटर्स पे लिखना है. क्लियर? नाउ लास्ट विल बी आवर which vertex remaining? A we have taken, B we have taken, C we have taken. Now last will be our, very good Shwetlana, the last will be our D, and the name of the angle will be angle DAB. DAB. Now next क्या होगा इससे connected? Very good Shwetlana, that will be angle ABC. Now what is our common over here? Common क्या है? Common is, very nice, common is AB, AB. So what is remaining? D and C. So this D and C is what? This D and C is my adjacent angle. D and C is my adjacent angle. I hope you will be clear when we are going to solve more sums regarding these types only. So here for finding adjacent angle, we have to take first vertex connected with 3 points and then leave first vertex and then three sides. Three vertex. There you will find a common arm. Then the remaining one is our angle. Now same we are going to write for the opposite angle of a quadrilateral. Now opposite angle means same, opposite means see. This is our first angle A. This is our first angle. इसका opposite क्या है? इसका opposite उल्टा. What is the opposite of A? Very good. What is the opposite of A? Opposite of A. इसका उल्टा इधर है. That is C. Now what is the opposite of B? That is D. Opposite of B is D. I will make one figure and you tell me what are the opposite. Now what is the opposite angle? First will be what? Very good. First will be no Shravan. एक साथ दोनों. P S. Very good. So how you will write? Angle P pairs बनाने ना हमको and angle S. This will be our first pair. Angle P and angle S. Now next क्या है? Second pair क्या है मेरा? Very good. Second pair is my R Q. Very good. Second pair is my R Q. So you will write angle, symbol of angle R and angle Q. Okay. Now we are going to learn new thing, that is diagonal of a quadrilateral. Diagonal of a quadrilateral is what? See the explanation. The line segment which join the vertices of the opposite angle of a quadrilateral are called the diagonals of the quadrilateral. Now what is diagonal? The line segment which join the vertex of the opposite angle. Opposite angle. Now here opposite angle is what? A and C, B and D. Now only I taught you about the opposite angle. Now here opposite angle is A का opposite है C, B का opposite है D. Now here when we draw a line, that cuttings, that middle cutting which we connect opposite angle with the another angle opposite, so that is called as our diagonal. That is called as our diagonal. That means AC is my diagonal first and BD, this line is my another diagonal. Diagonal always cut inside. So here first diagonal is AC and second diagonal is BD. Now I will draw one another diagram and you are going to tell me what are the diagonal over here. Okay. What is our first diagonal? Very good. Our first diagonal is EG. Very nice. And my second diagonal is, very good. Second diagonal is HF. Clear? So there are two diagonal EG and HF. These are the diagonal of a quadrilateral. We will learn next one. Now last point, that is polynomial. Last point, that is our polynomial. Now what is polynomial? A closed plane figure bounded by three or more lines that terminate its in pairs at the same number of vertex is called a polynomial. Polynomial means a figure or a plane which are bounded, which are joined by two or more than two or three lines. Three lines से ज़्यादा और three होना चाहिए exactly, which are bounded, which are close, which are plain, that is called as what? That is called as our polono polygon. That is known as our polygon. So here I have shown you some polygon which has been named here also. You can see, you can see over the figure also. See, the first polygons are triangle. So triangle having how many sides? Very good. Triangle having three sides. The question was a closed plane figure that are bounded with three or more. So यहाँ पे triangle को कितना है? Three. Now second figure is our quadrilateral. Now quadrilateral having how many? Very good. Quadrilateral को भी four side है. Four sides, हाँ? Now next is pentagon. Count. Very good. Pentagon having five sides. Pentagon having five sides. Now next is hexagon. Yeah, hexagon having six sides. See, you have to remember it. I will ask this how many sides having the polygons. Now next is octagon. Octagon having how many sides? Yes, octagon having, very nice. Octagon having eight sides. And rhombus, last rhombus having four sides. So once again, just see all the sides. Triangle 3, quadrilateral 4, pentagon 5, hexagon 6, octagon 8, and rhombus 4. Others are also the polygons. More than 3 sides or 3, that are called as our polygons.